In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mandeville Primary won and decided to send Great Start Academy first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Great Start Academy. Bible knowledge. Did Jesus heal a centurion's son, daughter, or servant?
Let's go. Daughter.
Incorrect. Servant. Mandeville. Bible knowledge. Did Jesus resurrect the son, daughter, or husband of a widow in the town of Nain?
No, it can't be husband. Son.
Son is correct. Science. Great start. What is the name for the fine powder released by plants for reproduction and which can be carried by wind, water, or animals to fertilize other plants?
Pollen.
That's correct. Science. Mandeville. Which part of a flower traps pollen from pollinators like insects or the wind?
Stigma.
That's right. Great start. International affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Botswana.
That's correct. International affairs. A visual question. Mandeville. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Kenya.
That's correct. English language. Great start. Does the word scurrilous mean kind, offensive, or exciting?
Offensive.
Correct. English language. Mandeville. Does the word fulminate mean to protest, to agree, or to fly?
Protest.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Great start. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon character.
Velma Reed.
Incomplete. Velma Dinkley from Scooby-Doo. Television. A visual question. Mandeville. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon character.
Chelsea Brown.
Incorrect. It's Betty Cooper from Archie. Great start. General knowledge. Lagos and Kaduna are major cities in which African country?
Nigeria.
That's correct. General knowledge. Mandeville, Mombasa, and Nakuru are major cities in which African country?
Kenya.
That's correct. Social studies. Great start. The former parish of Vere was merged to form a part of which Jamaican parish?
Mine. Clarendon.
That's correct. Social studies. Mandeville. The former parish of St. John was merged to form a part of which Jamaican parish?
St. Catherine.
That's correct. Music. A visual question. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify this local artiste.
Let's go. Neo.
Incorrect. DJ Nicholas. Mandeville. Music. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this local artiste.
Tasha Cobbs.
Incorrect. Cheryl Franklin. Great start. Mathematics. What is the result when you subtract 1,887 from 3,216?
Shout it. Is there?
45.
Incorrect. The answer is 1,329. Mathematics. Mandeville. What is the result when you subtract 1,246 from 4,122?
2,876.
2,876.
That's correct. Sports. Great start. Which English Premier League team plays home matches at the Stadium of Lights?
Stadium of Lights. Give me one in Paris.
Bournemouth.
Incorrect. It's Sunderland FC. Focus. Sports. Which English Premier League team is also known as the Magpies?
Chelsea.
Incorrect. Newcastle. And that's it. For the first section, the scores are Mandeville Primary on 7 and Great Start Academy on 5. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Practice gratitude daily by writing 3 things you're thankful for to reduce stress? A valuable tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.